Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just have a makeup play date with you guys. I wanted to use the Blush Try palettes that I purchased back in the summertime. I have been playing around with them on my own personal time, but I wanted to use them at least on camera for you guys. So today I think I want to go with like the purples and the pinks in here, which are really pretty. So I do want to start out with this color right here, which is like a very light mommy shade. This palette is all matte. At least the Blossom palette is completely matte. And as far as what I have seen and used in this palette, it is very pigmented, obviously with the exception of these pastel shades. But it is so worth it. If you're just looking for one colorful matte eyeshadow palette, I think this is it for you guys. It's so pretty. And these colors really, really stand out. So if you want a very subtle, colorful palette, this is not it. You really get color payoff out of this. Now I'm going to go with this purple right here and put this on my outer V. Now going in with the Hasina, the very first palette, I have also been playing around with this one. I want to grab this color right here and put that on my lid. And I'm not going to wet it just to see how it plays out. Oh my, it's super vibrant. I want to go back into this purple shade and kind of deepen out the outer V a little bit more. In my lower lash line, I want to go in with this orange in my lower lash line. That is very vibrant. I'm going to do my wing liner and my lashes, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the rest of the face. Okay, so I did wing liner and my lashes that I picked out. For inner corner, I want to go back into the Hasina palette, and I want to grab this shade right here as my inner corner. Grab the right brush. Where'd it go? For blush, I used my Cashew multi-stick that I have been panning. This goes with every single colorful look you have. It's such a neutral shade. And then for highlighter, I think I want to use this again because I just love it so much. So I am going to mix these two shades right here. I know, I can't get enough of this. For lips, we're going to go in with Chai by Bite Beauty. As you guys know, these go bad quicker, so I'm trying to use these as much as possible. Alright guys, so this is the final look. So just to recap, obviously my cheeks, you guys know I love this multi-stick. You're probably going to see that in quite a few videos because I am panning it and it just goes with everything. So I may not be showing you my blush application in the next month or two, just to try to use that as much as possible. You guys know I love this. I'm not even going to repeat myself. I just enjoy this a ton. This is from Alexa Persico, which is another indie brand that I absolutely love. Now, as far as the eyeshadows go, This is the Blush Tribe palette in Blossom. I have been using this off camera quite a bit. I've used these blue greens. I've used the reddish toned, obviously you guys saw me use the purples. I've used the black. I haven't used all of them, but as far as I can see and what I've been testing out, these are very pigmented, very soft. They do have powder kick up, but if you're looking for an all matte colorful palette with different shades of the same color, like you have 2 different greens, 2 different blues, 2 different purples, it's just not blue, green, one of each, you're getting a variation to kind of do a color, to do a nice look with, and you're even getting a dark brown up here. I'm liking this so far. I am enjoying it. Stay tuned either for our favorites video or a worth it or worthless, really giving you the rundown on that one. And then the Hasina palette, this is the first one. I haven't gotten the second one yet. This palette is very pigmented as well. Like, all these shimmer shades are amazing. I'm dying to use this one right here. I haven't used it yet, but the blues I've used, the gold, this gold is truly gold. It's very good. I mean, like, this brand, for it being indie brand, it is based out of the UK, I believe. So for me, it's a little bit more expensive, but it is worth it. I really like these a ton. So that is a look today. Thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with me. I like doing these makeup playdates because I kind of get you guys to see more of the makeup I am purchasing in action or getting gifted. And that way it's just not being thrown in a worth it or worthless without you guys really seeing it truly on my eyes and how I've been using it. So I will link and list all these products in the description box. I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.